Jayson Tatum's third signature sneaker, the Jordan Tatum 3 Tie-Dye, drops July 11th, just in time for summer. This vibrant release showcases a swirling mix of blue, red, and purple tones across a semi-translucent mesh upper, capturing a laid-back yet bold aesthetic. Powder blue details on the laces, lining, and outsole enhance the airy look, while signature touches like Tatum's JT logo and Jumpman branding add identity. A Cloud Zero callout on the heel and Deuce embroidery inside the sockliner pay tribute to Tatum's son. Performance-wise, the sneaker features Zoom air cushioning, lightweight containment, and a sculpted outsole design for grip, making it equally ready for the court or casual wear. With its expressive colorway and personal storytelling, the tie-dye edition stands out in the growing Tatum line. The Jordan Tatum 3 tie-dye will be available on Nike.com and select retailers for $130.